Project 2, Document 3. Well, the first thing we have that is incorrect on this letter is the name. It should be Miss Jane J. Branch. If you look back on Document 1, it will tell you the correct way. Now, some students put the word Ms. above the word Miss. That is incorrect. If she has never been married, her name is Miss. So there's no reason to change it. You must follow whatever's on Document 1. The next line we have Avenue, which needs to be spelled out. And then on the last line of the inside address, we have 2134 when that should be 1234. Again, reference the Document 1. Then we have Dear Miss Branch with the comma after Branch. Well, this is a formal document, so that needs to be a colon. Then in the first paragraph, on the second sentence, we have, we understand your concern about the loss of capital in your retirement accounts. Capital, like this, is a building. Capital with AL is money. So this needs to be changed to an AL. Then we have, we hope you have reached a decision of your about future. It should be about your future. So you just need to put a transpose something. The next paragraph says, we continue to encourage our clients to develop a strategy for dividing their investments. Well, it belongs to them, so it's THEIR. And the next one, we have, no one should invest more than 10% of their account. Well, let's look back. The subject of this is no one. So if this is no one should invest, it should be his or her account. The last sentence in that paragraph says the word through and out are two words. They need to be connected with a little closed gap. That's a little half circle on the top and a little half circle on the bottom. And that makes throughout one word. Now the next one, you just have to be cognizant of what you're reading. It says, as we discussed on February 30. Well, February never has 30 days. Sometimes every 4 years it has 29, but it never has 30. So obviously it should be March 30th or February 28th or not February 30th. So that had been circled and checked. We said, you would be wise to select stocks from the following categories. Well, here we have a semicolon, but if you're going to introduce a list, you need a colon. Then we go. Here's our categories. Energy, consumer staples, healthcare, industrials, or utilities. Many of these stocks provide, because we have many, which is plural, and then we need provide, which is plural. Provides is singular, so you need to take off the S. And then many of these stocks provide quarterly dividends and are expected to increase in value within. There's no reason for within to be there. So you just delete it and put the period after value. Okay, the next one we have the enclosed brochure provides information you will find value in selecting potential investments. But they ended it with a question mark. That is not what you need. You need a period. Then we go down here to the signature and Miss Lynn Falgastar is incorrect because it needs one more R. Then we have general and manager. And those need to be capitalized because that is her title. Okay, that is it for document 2. Sorry, 3.